Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to hide your IP address using NordVPN. If you want to improve your privacy, keep your location hidden, and protect yourself from online tracking. This walkthrough will cover everything you need to know. Just a quick reminder, this is for educational purposes only, so be sure to follow your local laws and the rules of any platforms you use. And if you'd like to try NordVPN, the link below gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months. To get started, open the NordVPN app on your device. If you're new, you'll need to choose a subscription, either monthly or yearly, and then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, it's very simple. Just click Secure My Connection. NordVPN will automatically connect you to a fast server and instantly assign you a new IP address. If you want more control, you can also choose a server manually from the map. Selecting a server in a different country changes your virtual location right away, which is helpful for privacy or for accessing region-specific content. So, what's actually happening when you connect? NordVPN hides your real IP address and replaces it with one from its encrypted servers. This makes it much harder for websites, advertisers, or even your internet service provider to track your online activity. There are other ways to hide your IP, like using proxies, Tor, or public Wi-Fi. But a VPN is the safest and fastest option because it both masks your IP and encrypts your data at the same time. There are plenty of reasons to hide your IP address. You might want to keep your location private, avoid censorship, prevent bandwidth throttling, or simply reduce how much companies can track your browsing. And that's it. That's how you hide your IP address with NordVPN. If you're thinking about signing up, check the link below for 74% off plus 3 extra months.